I got this 1931 Silvertone a few years back, and before I knew how to do, or even tried to do a restoration, I rewired it to play little MP3 players to play old music, but I bypassed all the old electronics. So this time I'm going to see if I can actually get it to play and undo everything I did before. But first I'll do a bunch of tests to see if it's even worth trying to fix. So far the only thing I've done is change the electrolytic here, and there's one down at the bottom, and I rewired the volume control. And so far it's all done. I might be able to try to power this thing up maybe in a few days. But this is the initial power test to see if this has any life left in it at all. It's going to go real slow. All I did was change a few things, and hopefully I reconnected the volume control correctly. It's going to go real slow. I think the little light's coming on. That's a good sign. At least the transformer still works, at least part of it. Let's sit here and cook for a few minutes. Alright, it's been a few minutes. I'm just going to turn up the voltage a little bit more. Light's getting a little brighter, not much. Let's sit here for a minute or two. Alright, we're up to 70 volts now. Take it up to maybe something coming up. Something's happening. Good or bad. Switch are lighting up. I'll be damned, it works. Wow.
The summer sticker sales event only at Dutch Miller Kia on South Boulevard in Charlotte. Visit us online 24/7 at DutchMillerCLT.com.
Good deal.
Credit for payment, 36 monthly, $34.99.
It's on fire. It should be turn it up a few more degrees here.
Duke Energy is ready to help you through this year's hurricane season. We're investing in a stronger, more resilient grid to help reduce and even prevent outages.
Welcome back to Series Thumb drive, DVD, or the cloud. We ship you a
Johnson Self-Polishing Glow Coat are happy to present the first show in the new... Spectacle of the ages, the famous 7 steps to heaven, the Oriental water torture, the chest of celestial bliss. See the living skeleton and experience the disappearing coffin on the inside.